Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Betway account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Initially, open up your web browser and go to this website right here, that is betway.com. Once you've gone to that, at the top right on the navigation bar, you can see the register button. Click on it. Now all you guys need to do is fill out this information. That is account information, personal details, and contact details. I'm going to fill out all of them right now, and once you've entered everything, as you guys can see, I have entered everything right here. You simply need to click on this register button right here. And that is it guys. That's how you register for Betway. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, to remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.